So I got a new screen protector today from SMARTDEVIL. It says quick installation screen protector. It's supposed to be dust-free box series. And this one's for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and open it up and see how easy it is to install it. Alright, so inside we do have our film installation toolkit. We got our quick instructions here. And then we do have 2 screen protectors included. Actually, make that 3, including the one that's in here. Alright, so step 1, use the alcohol cleaning wipe to get your phone cleaned. Dry it off. Use the sticker for any kind of dust. Now it shows here instructions. Top, cover the phone. Oh, wrong side. Alright, so the instructions show put the top on the phone. Now it says all we have to do is pull this, press the center, and it should do the rest. Then it says to remove it, you need to press the center and press up. Now with mine, I do see a couple bubbles, so we'll smooth those out. Just use a card. Once we have everything on, I'll try my best to get this into the video. So we do have coverage all the way around on the screen. There is a slight gap all the way around, kind of allow for the case. And then with a quick look with the case on there. And then this should give us protection for our phone. And then if that one breaks or you're just wanting to do another phone, and it's really easy to load up another one. It's got a couple little holes there that will match up there at the top, so you can't put it in the wrong way. I'd say the installation is very simple. You get 3 screen protectors, so for the price it's pretty decent. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.